In this video, we'll be looking at applying different styles to our table. We can do this in two ways, using the pre-built style set and making our own. Let us look at the pre-built style sets. These style sets allow us to choose a look already created by Microsoft. This will save us time. To access these presets, click inside the table. You will now see the table tools appear. For the style sets, we'll be going to Table Tools Design option. We are looking for the table styles as indicated here. If we click on the More option, as indicated here, you'll see a new drop-down menu appear. Here we can select some of the various presets. For this video, I'll select the option Grid Table 5 Dark. As I hover my mouse over the style, you can see our table automatically updates to give us a preview of this style. To apply the style, click on it. We can also make our own style when it comes to a table. Still under the Table Tools Design option, we'll look at the Shading option under the Table Styles ribbon group, as indicated here. We'll also look at the Borders ribbon group. This will allow us to add different colors and line types to our table. For the shading, let us select Orange Accent 2. As you can see, it is applying the shading to the active cell. If you wish to apply the shading to more than one cell, you will need to select the other cells. Let us look at how to change the border of our table. We select the border option indicated here. When we select this, we'll get a new drop-down menu. In this drop-down, we can see we have some presets, as indicated here. If you wish to adjust it further, we can go to Borders and Shadings, as indicated here. This will open a new dialog box. Adjust your table to how you wish and then select OK. Thank you for watching this video on table styles. Hopefully this was helpful to you. In the next video, we'll be looking at creating bullet and number lists.